Hi, my name is Faisalabad. I'm living in Australia for the last 10 years, and my hair fall started in 10 years ago because of the water. Water in Australia is very they use chlorine over there. That's why I started losing my hair, and after that, I came in 2019 to Pakistan for my hair transplantation. In Feb 19, I did my hair transplant in Pakistan. And the result was not that good because of I didn't got that good result over there. And then I started searching at my own that when I came to Pakistan this time, I make a decision to make a hair transplant again in Pakistan. And I did some working over there that from where I should have my hair transplant. Firstly, I was having consultation in Turkey. There were 3 points over there where I was having consultation over there. Then I did consultation with my father. He said there are a few places over here with like hairclub and stuff. So I came over here and met with Mr. Karachi over here, and they guided me very well. Then I make my plan to have my hair transplant in Pakistan. I'm going to have my hair surgery soon, and whatever the results will be, I'll share my opinion and my result with the hair club about that. So thank you very much for that. My hair transplant surgery is currently going on, and the process is very smooth. Staff is very helpful. The hygiene is very well maintained, and I'm very happy with the process going on. I'm very relaxed. There's no pain. It's painful procedure going on, and they are guiding me each and every procedure, how the steps are going on, what they are doing about all that, and I'm very happy with the procedure.